Hey, how y'all doing? This is kind of a big thing. Hey, I just got nothing right. Yeah. If you ever sold something to somebody on eBay, and you know something cheap on eBay, and people gave you negative feedback because it's all protection. Anyway, let me tell you the story. I sold Hunko. It wasn't a Hunko. I forgot who it was. I sold some wrestling clothes to somebody. And I put it in one of those little plastic sleeves. I think I sold it for $19 or something. I put it in one of those little hard plastic sleeves so I could mail it, you know, without it getting damaged. So, $19. I think it was. Anyway, it wasn't finished, so it was about 15. Anyway, I put it in a little plastic sleeve so it wouldn't get damaged. The guy received it, and he sent me this email. Not email, whatever that message thing you get through email. So it's not called email. But he sent me that one I'm talking about. He can't get it certified. The ends are damaged because I put it in one of those. Because I put it in one of those plastic containers. First of all, I brought it back. And see, she didn't have to be all nasty. I could have had another. I brought it back. I said, look, first of all, you didn't put in the description that you wanted it to get certified. Else I would have done something else. I said, the car's so cheap, I know you have it certified. It's a cheap car. Anyway, sorry, y'all had positions. Anyway, so I said, you're going to have to be all, you know, all cool and going off like that. So I didn't know. And I said, because I don't want to lose no customers. Now I don't want no bad feedback. So I said, let me check and see if I got another call. You know, let me see if I got another one like that. And I'll send it to you. You know, because I got a little nothing of this stuff. This stuff I've been having for years. I ain't even paid for it. I don't know how I got it. But I ain't paid for it. I think one of my sons had it or something. But it was good. But I don't care. I didn't pay for it, so I got nothing into it. So, anyway, so he wrote me back, oh, thanks, man. You know, you was all nasty at first. So all you had to do was tell me that you're a collector and you want to get it certified. I would put it in one of those little plastic slips. You know, one of the cellophane, whatever you call those things. I would have put it in one of those instead of that hard plastic one that you use for baseball toys. So I sent him a picture. I didn't have the one he had. So I took pictures. I bundled all the ones I had. I sent them pictures of them. I think it was like 10 of them. I put all 10 of them together and I asked them to choose one. Because I didn't have that card to either one. Anyway, I ain't heard from you since. But I still got that negative feedback. It wasn't negative. So, I still got that neutral. I want that neutral off of there. You know, but you know, I just call Rant again. I'm talking about other people, but people suck. You know, but you have to come to me like that. You know, but I could have just sent you another quote. I didn't know. First of all, this is like me. If I got how can I put it? If I buy a Kobe Bryant card or something, I'ma tell them to put it in you know, a plastic slip cover or something like that. Don't squeeze me or whatever. I'ma tell them that it's gonna be in my description. I'ma tell them that because I don't want it damaged. I might send it off to be certified later. You know. But tell people what you want. Describe it. Just don't start going off on people. You know, because you assume that they know that you're gonna get it certified. I don't know none of that. You know, I want to go completely off. But you know, this is picking the hood. I am the hood. So I want to go completely off on the dude. But, you know, my grandmother used to always say, don't burn your bridges. I didn't ever understand what that meant. Now I know. Since I'm old. Don't burn your bridges. So I'm not burning my bridges. Yeah, now this dude, he got all the pictures of all the wrestling cards I got. You know what I'm saying? So he might buy another card. So it pays off to be grown about stuff. I'll put it like that. I'm a grown man, and if I was not in sales, if I wasn't a picker, if I wasn't on YouTube, if I wasn't selling on eBay, I would have went off on it, dude. I'm just telling you. So, like my grandmother said again, don't burn your bridges, because this dude he could buy more stuff from me. So, since you got the pictures of the rest of the cards I got. So, anyway, y'all, this Kevin from Pickin in the Hood too. You know, just ranting about stuff. If you got any problems, you know, let it out. Don't hold it in. Let it out. You know, don't hold it in. You might have a heart attack or something. I'm letting it go. But he's still suffering. So I didn't give a refund or nothing. Either that's what I said, they just refunded the money too. But anyway, y'all, just kept Pickin in the Hood. I buy stuff from thrift stores, yard sales, anywhere I can make some money. Facebook Marketplace. I buy stuff from everywhere. And I flip and sell it on eBay and Facebook Marketplace. So, hey y'all, if y'all like this content,